Hey guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to record and how you can set up your own OBS system. So let's get started. So first of all, when you're here, you probably don't have this unless you want to add display. But if you're gonna be clicking you want to play a game, I have Minecraft open in the background. I will click add game capture, and then it says capture any full screen application. You want to make sure it's specific window. Select the window. As for me, I am going to do Minecraft. You want to click OK. Now, if I remove my thing right here, it probably won't show, but when you have your thing, you might want to click Control F to make sure, but once you did, you already have your game capture. But I have display right now, so I can't show. And if your thing is uneven, click Control F to make sure everything is evened out. Do not use display capture to record your gameplay. Advanced here, I have my process priority on high, seeing as I am in a 1920 resolution. If you have a bad PC and you're going to record in a lower res, I would have this below normal. Oh, make sure it's under normal. Your video, these are your color settings. I feel like 709 on partial work, but it's up to you. You guys, you can mess with this. Hockey is the same thing. You can mute if you want, like you're talking and stuff, but I just don't use it. For video, you always want to make sure these have, since I have a good PC, I'm going to be using 1920. If I were to record, like a game, I would change this FPS value. I'm only doing it for the sake of OBS. And make sure you always use fractional FPS, even though if you're going to record in 60 or not. Always is just so conventional. So, yeah. For your audio, I don't really like to mess around with audio unless you're a big streamer. I just upload videos, but I would change this to 48, the second option. And yeah, that's basically it. So these are the audio tabs. Output. We are not going to be doing the streaming tab. We're going to go be recording. So I have a good PC here, but you always want to make sure this resolution is your own computer's resolution. But you want to make sure you're using your Nvida. AMD users, I am not sure how this works. And whenever you record, make sure you always use CQP, as it will be the best beneficial for you. You could try this, but I find working with CQP works the best. And then if you're going to start off, I would start off with a number like 20, but I can't do that seeing as I'm recording. You can do 17, 18, just mess around with the quality. Key interval, you want to make sure this is on 0. Preset, always have max performance. Profile, high of course. Now these you should mess, but like this one you always want to have 0 because you do not want like your B frames. But yeah, these are basically the settings if you guys need a copy. And also, if you're recording in your game, you could see right here of your CPU. If it's like getting really used up, you want to make sure it's like below 8, 7. That's what I usually like to do. And then I would only start with 60. And then if it works, I could do 240 if I wanted to, but for the sake of video, I'm only doing this. And yeah, that's how you basically record. If you're going to changing your files, you can click browse. And make sure your encoder is in video. Otherwise, yeah. Oh, something else I want to do is, this is for me, whenever I game, I like to record, make sure my OBS is ran as administrator, and make sure if you're going to record, disable your preview, because you see as it lowers it. But I'm going to enable it just for the sake of the video. Now to make sure your OBS runs as an administrator, you want to go to open OBS. Open your file location. You want to right click, go to your properties. You want to go to compatibility, run this program as an administrator, apply, and then OK. And yeah, that's going to be it. The next video is I'm going to show you guys how you render your clips and anything else. If you have any questions, please subscribe, comment down below.